Drinking spinach juice in the morning helps me feel more energized and focused throughout the day. It also helps to keep our skin clear and glowing. So give spinach juice a definite try. Eating rice flakes with coconuts, grapes and banana for breakfast can provide nutritional value, an energy boost, digestive health benefits, immune support, and convenience. It is a quick and easy breakfast option that can provide a balanced mix of nutrients and energy to start your day off right. Meal preparation is an essential part of my daily life, and it involves a wide range of activities, including planning, shopping, cooking, and cleaning up. The scope of meal preparation can vary depending on individual preferences, dietary restrictions, and cultural practices. But I prefer to cook all my meals from scratch. And some individuals may have specific dietary needs, such as gluten-free or vegan diets, which require careful planning and ingredient selections. Overall, the scope of meal preparation in my daily life is vast and can have a significant impact on my overall health and well-being. It can be roasted, steamed, sautéed, or added to salads and stir-fries. Establish a daily routine that includes healthy habits such as exercise, healthy eating and self-care.